Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the clip and app. Open Capcut and import the video you'll subtitle. Once imported, make sure the audio is clear and the language is set, because the recognition model uses that selection. Now tap the timeline and select Auto Subtitles. This kicks off transcription. You're starting immediately, so review microphone settings and background noise reduction first, and then confirm the file. After you start Auto Subtitles, the app analyzes speech and timestamps, each phrase, to build a draft subtitle track. Once Capcut generates the draft, you'll edit for accuracy and timing. You should play the clip and pause at each caption, correct misheard words and add punctuation where needed, because clean punctuation improves readability. Use split and trim to align long sentences with natural pauses and adjust start/end timestamps for each line. Also style the text. Choose font size, color, and background to maintain legibility on busy scenes. Make sure to test on multiple segments to confirm consistent pace and visibility. You're finishing now. Preview the full video with subtitles and decide whether to export them burned in or as an SRT. If you choose SRT, export separately for platform uploads. Make sure to test the exported file on the target device or platform for sync and readability. If captions drift, reopen the subtitle track, adjust durations, and export a short test clip. If recognition errors persist, improve audio quality, rerun Auto Subtitles, then manually correct remaining mistakes before the final export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.